Hi, this is Somshakar from Maths Guru Academy. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.2, first question of the chapter quadratic equation. So first question is find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. So we have to find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization, right? So first question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0, right? So the question is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Factorization means we are splitting the middle term method, right? So if we, what is the first step? If we multiply first term and last term, what we will get? We will get minus 10 x square, right? So now we should find in which table 10 will comes. So 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10, right? So if we add or subtract, we should get the middle term minus 3 here. So see here, if we add we will get 7, if we subtract we will get 3, right? So here the sign is minus. For subtraction one should be plus and one number should be minus, right? So here minus is there, so for greater number I will give minus, for lesser number plus. So here 1x, here 1x, so x square. So here in place of minus 3x I will write minus plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0, right? So what is common in first two terms? X, right? Remaining x plus 2, here common minus 5, remaining x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? So here x plus 2 common and remaining x minus 5 is equal to 0, right? Now I will equate x plus 2 with 0 and x minus 5 with 0. We will get x is equal to, if I shift plus 2 to the RHS, it will become minus 2. This is one value of x. And if I shift minus 5 to the RHS, it will become plus 5. So x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5 are the roots of the given equation. Therefore 5 and minus 2 are the roots of the equation. Getting? So next, second sub question. Next, second sub question, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what is the first step now? We have to multiply first term and last term, right? So the question is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So if we multiply first term and last term, what we will get? 2x square into minus 6 will get minus 12x square, right? So now in which table we'll get 12, we have to see here. So 2 6s are 12 or 6 2s are 12, right? 4 3s are 12 or 3 4s are 12. So now we have to add or subtract, we should get plus 1, right? So if we add here 2 plus 6 8, subtract 6 minus 2, we will get 4, right? So this is not possible. So this is 4 plus 3 will get 7. If we subtract 4 minus 3, we will get 1. So here is 1, right? What is the sign here? Plus. So for greater number plus, for smaller number minus. So x and x. So 2x square as it is. So here I will write plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, right? What is common in first two terms? 2 and as well as x is common, right? So if I take 2x common, here remaining is 2 plus here remaining 2, right? Sorry, here remaining x and here remaining 2. So and again common here, minus common and as well as 3 common, right? What is remaining? X plus 2. Now see here, minus 3 into x minus 3x minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 0. So here common x plus 2, right? So remaining here 2x and here minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? So x is equal to, if I shift plus 2 to the RHS, it will become minus 2. So next 2x is equal to, if I shift minus 3 to the RHS, it will become plus 3 and x will become, x is equal to 3 by 2, right? So this is the zeros of the given question. Therefore minus 2, 3 by 2 are the zeros of the equation. Next, third sub question, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So what is first step? We have to multiply first and last term, right? So what it will become? root 2 into 5 root 2, it will become 5 root 2 whole square into x square, right? So here square and square root cancel, remaining 5 2s are 10x square. So we have to write in which table we'll get 10. So 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10, right? If we add or subtract, we should get 7, right? So if we add, we'll get 7. So what is the sign here? Plus, right? So I will write plus for both the numbers x and x. So 2 root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here root 2x square as it is. So I will write plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, right? Now what is common here? X is common, right? If I take x common, remaining here root 2 and as well as x, right? Plus here remaining 5. So again what is common here? I can take root 2 common, right? So if I take root 2 common, what it will become? Root 2x plus, so root 2 already we took common, remaining 5 is equal to 0. See here, root 2 into root 2 whole square. So in root 2 whole square, square and square root cancel, remaining 2. So root 2 into root 2, 2. So x as it is. So plus into plus plus, root 2 into 5, 5 root 2. Correct? So next common is root 2x plus 5. So remaining here x. And here plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So what it will happen here? Root 2x is equal to, if I shift plus 5 to the RHS, it will become minus 5. And if I shift root 2, what will become? X is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So next, if I shift plus root 2, it will become minus root 2, right? So this is the zeros. Therefore, minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros of the equation. Next sub question, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0, right? So 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. You can take LCM here. So we can take LCM here. So in the denominator nothing is there means 1. Here also nothing is there means 1. 1 and LCM for 1 and 8. 8 is a LCM, right? So here into 8 into 8 into 8. So here 1 1s are 1 8s are, right? So 2x square into 8, 16x square. So minus as it is. 1 1s are 1 8s are, right? 8 into x will get 8x. So here 8 1s are 8 1s are cancelled. So 1 into 1, 1. Plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I will shift 8 to the RHS, so it will become 8 into 0, 0, right? So remaining 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. If I shift 8 to the RHS, so 8 into 0, 0, right? Now we have to multiply first term and last term. We will get 16x square, right? So now we have to calculate in which table 16 will come. So here 2 8s are 16 or 8 2s are 16. Next 4 4s are 16, right? So we have to add or we can subtract, but we should get minus 8 here, right? So if we add 2 and 8, we will get 10. If we subtract, we will get 6. So this is not possible, right? So now if we add 4 and 4, we will get 8, right? What is the sign here? Minus. So if we want to add means both the numbers should have same signs, right? So here minus is there, so I will give minus for both the numbers. So now minus 4 will get minus 8. So x square is there, here 1x, right? So 16x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now what is common in first two terms? X is common, and as well as we can take 4 common, right? In 4 table we will get 16. So if I take 4x common, here remaining 4x minus 1, right? And what is common here? We can take minus 1 common here, right? So remaining 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is common here? 4x minus 1 we can take common, right? 4x minus 1. Here remaining 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, and again one more 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now if I shift minus 1 to the RHS, it will become 4x is equal to 1, right? Now if I shift 4, what it will become? X is equal to 1 by 4. So next what it will happen? 4x is equal to, if I shift minus 1 to the RHS, it will become plus 1. So next if I shift 4 to the RHS, it will become 1 by 4, right? So therefore 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 are the roots of the equation. So next sub question, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to multiply first term and last term. What we will get? 100x square, right? So now we have to calculate in which table 100 will comes, right? So 10 tens are 100, right? So if we add or subtract, we should get 20, right? Minus 20 we should get. So here if we add 10 and 10, we will get 20. So minus sign is there, so I will give minus for both the numbers. Now minus 10 we will get minus 20, right? Here 1x, here 1x. So 100x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So now what is common in first two terms? We can take 10 common and as well as x common. If I take 10x common, here 10 tens are 100, right? So already I took x common, remaining 1x, right? Minus here remaining 1. Again what we can take common here? Minus 1 we can take common. Here remaining 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now common is 10x minus 1, remaining here 10x and here minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then one more 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 10x is equal to, if I shift minus 1 to the RHS, it will become plus 1. So x is equal to 1 by 10. Again in the same way this will become plus 1. So x is equal to 1 by 10. Therefore 1 by 10 and 1 by 10 are the zeros of the equation. Thank you.